The question is, if the magnetic field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by B equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 sine of 1.6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 48 into 10 to the power 10 t, then what will be the expression for electric field? Now its solution. We know that E naught upon B naught is C and B naught is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, which is given in the question. So E naught will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. This and this will get cut. So E naught will be 9. Now E is E naught sine omega t minus kx plus omega. So just put the value for E naught in this. So E will be 9 sine 1.6 into 10 to the power 3x plus 48 into 10 to the power 10t. So the correct option is D.